Manisha, thank you very much for that. Well, 113 points lower. We are at 16,857. So far, if you're waiting for a bounce, it's elusive. It's proving to be elusive. Bank Nifty is still down about 1% as well. Let's refocus on Titan, which is actually beating the overall downtrend. It's up about 2.5%. Mangalam is back with us. Mangalam.
Titan is at the high point of today's trading session, and that's perhaps on the possibility that now the street will start looking at their eye care business as a separate valuation driver, primarily because of the big announcement that came this morning, the fundraising for Lenskart, $500 million invested by ADIA at a valuation of $4.2 billion. Just looking at Lenskart's metrics, FY22, their revenues grew by around 66% to 1,500 crores with a loss of 102 crores. How does that compare with Titan's business? The eye care business in the first 9 months of this year did revenues of 524 crores and an EBIT of 96 odd crores. Assuming 2,000 crore revenue for Lenskart in FY23, this deal values them at around 17 times price to sales. If Titan, they've guided for 750 crore sales in FY23, if they go ahead and do 1,000 crores worth sales in FY24 with an EBIT of 120 odd crores and not using the high metrics but a lot more conservative numbers, 6 to 12 times price to sales multiples, this business could be worth anywhere between 6,000 to 12,000 odd crores. And this, remember, analysts haven't estimated in their sum of the parts valuation for Titan so far. So could this be a case for analysts to look at their eye care business as a valuation driver?
Okay, got that, Mangalam. Thanks very much. That's some green in an otherwise deeply red market. Vivek, so you're looking at this block deal. It's finally happened with Samvardhana. Tell us the details.
Well, that's right. So Motherson, is the stock in focus, 3.7% equity, significant supply coming in today's trading session. It happened in the block deal window. And, what's actually happened is that as per the term sheet that we saw, Sumitomo Wiring Systems, Japanese entity, part of the promoter group, has sold stake in the company. And, the floor price for this particular block was at a significant discount. So 69.9 rupees per share was the floor price, almost $195 million worth of, block has exchanged hands. And now the worry is that, given the fact that they held almost 17.5% stake at the end of the December quarter, and just around 3.5% equity is gone. Now, what do they do with the remaining 14%? At this point of time, there's a commitment that for the next 180 days they won't sell further. But the overhang remains as to what exactly is the Japanese promoter going to do with the remainder of their stake in this particular company.
All right, Vivek, thank you very much for that. We'll take a very quick break here with news that we still have a 100-point cut on the Nifty. Lata will join us on the other side. She'll have DK Joshi and Hetal Gandhi of CRISIL to put the focus on the India growth story and their FY24 outlook amidst all of this global volatility and uncertainty. Stay